My name is Robert Haida. I'm the Managing Director of UP Energiewerke GmbH and Stadtwerke Dingolfing GmbH. UP Energiewerke GmbH is a joint venture between Bayernwerk Natur and Stadtwerke Dingolfing. Both partners each hold a 50% share in the company. The project here in Dingolfing is a 15-megawatt biomass heating plant, which also includes a share of waste wood. One boiler with 3 megawatts runs purely on waste wood. And of course, this waste wood needs to be shredded. That is why we decided to use a shredder from UNTHA. Regarding the material we use, we exclusively process residual wood material of classes A1 and A2. It arrives here in the form of pallets and packaging waste wood. We do not buy this material on the open market. It comes entirely from BMW Group's Plant 2. And Stefan Hoppe, the operations manager, is the best person to explain how the entire plant operates.
My name is Stefan Hoppe from Stadtwerke Dingolfing. I'm the operations manager of the heating plant on Industriestrasse.
The pallets and packaging material mainly contains screws and nails, but also plastic. The plastic and films have to be sorted beforehand. The screws and nails are then separated from the conveyor belt using the magnetic separator. The delivered material is shredded by the shredder into homogeneous, fine pieces. It then moves along the conveyor belt, past the magnetic separator, and outside the combustion system. We chose the XR2000 RC shredder from UNTHA because it meets the requirements stated in our permit approval. It is quiet, it is a slow-speed shredder, it produces little dust, it is efficient, and it delivers exactly the material size and consistency that we need afterwards for combustion. The heart of our waste wood processing system is the UNTHA shredder, equipped with a special water spray system to minimize dust. After shredding, the material moves via our discharge conveyor belt to the magnetic separator. At the magnetic separator, all iron components fall out into a collection box. After the magnetic separator, the material is transferred to another conveyor belt. During planning, it was important for us that the shredding system was separated from the storage box and from the combustion area. This is achieved here by the conveyor belt closure. We have 3 conveyor belts here. We can reverse their running direction and, depending on the fill level, decide where the material is discharged. Afterwards, the material goes into our waste wood combustion system and is converted into heat. The shredder processes around 8 to 9 tons per hour for us. Throughout the planning, the installation, and the subsequent support, we were very satisfied with UNTHA's service. We would definitely recommend UNTHA because the system solution is a perfect fit for us. It delivers the material in exactly the right size, works efficiently, and is economical to operate.